And then I have one more theory that I'm just going to cover just a little bit, and it is stages of change, which comes from, it's not, the theory itself is the Transtheoretical Model, or I guess it's a theoretical model, and one component of the Transtheoretical Model is stages of change. And stages of change, again, this is just one part of a much larger theory, but it's this idea that all human behavior change. Anytime a person changes, it's going to go through these 5 steps. Like, you're going to start at some point at the bottom at pre-contemplation, and then, which is this idea that like you're not even thinking about changing, it's not on your radar at all. Eventually you'll start thinking about it, that's contemplation. And then you'll prepare for a change. Then you'll actually start doing the change. And then you'll hit maintenance, where this is now a new healthy habit or a new part of your life. And sometimes people go skip over, like sometimes people do things faster, think about quitting smoking cold turkey, like that happens. They go from contemplation to action like very quickly. You can kind of skip things. You can also slide backwards. That's very important. And that happens over the course of a lifespan, where, you're doing something well for a while and then life happens, right? And then you slide backwards and then you go back forwards, etc. But it's kind of this idea that, that all change goes through these stages.